And hello, fourth graders. We're looking at your second ELA assignment for the week of September 28th. We are still working with relationships, things that go together. And so with this assignment, you're going to have multiple slides that give you clues, and you have to figure out what the relationship is with those. So look at the relationship between each of the things on the list, then write the common characteristic. Okay, Penelope likes milk, but not coffee. Okay, let's go to the second one. Penelope likes snow, but not rain. Next one, Penelope likes polar bears, but not sun bears. Okay, polar bears are white bears, and sun bears are dark bears. Penelope likes salt, but not pepper. Let me think. Characteristics of salt and pepper. Well, pepper is black, salt is white. Let's go back up to the top. Penelope likes milk, but not coffee. I'm looking at my coffee here, and my coffee is black. And I'm thinking milk that I had in my cereal this morning was white. Am I seeing a relationship here? I think so. Let's look at the next one. Penelope likes snow but not rain. Well, we know rain is kind of clear, but we do know that snow is white. So, as you can see, we have a relationship here, and our relationship is that they are things that are white. So, Penelope must like white. Must like white. So that is our relationship here. You will have, let's see, you have 5 other slides because I've done this one with you to complete. Good luck.